Take a look what I bought from Aliexpress. It's cool looking gadget. And what is it? It's a multifunctional car charger, FM transmitter, Bluetooth 5.0, hands-free, true 3.1 ampere, dual USB port, PD, fast charging, MP3, music, disc. And its welcome deal is $1 of course, and the regular price is, it says that is $17, almost $17. And I got it. Let's open now. Bubbles. I love bubbles. Bubble package. And it's the same as the pictures. What it says in description, that it's 12 to 24 volts model. It supports that. PD plus USB ports. You can charge two devices at the same time. Can deliver 3.1 ampere super high current output. Bluetooth. FM transmitter. Alright. It's looking cool. Just to remove this protector. Alright. So we have the USB outlet for the USB memory stick. It supports 1 ampere. Below that is the charger port where it says 3.1 ampere, type C. We have two potentiometers for adjusting the low and the high sounds or the frequency. This orange button is for answering and for Bluetooth, equalizer, FM, back, forward, and that's it. Let's turn on now. I'm gonna test it on my homemade universal power supply. Here it is, the 12 volt car socket. Plug in. Okay. Powering in 3, 2, 1. Load. And take a look at that, those colors. They are RGB. Alright. Just to kill the lights so you can see better in dark. And this is nice. It's a beautiful FM transmitter for your car. You can connect this device with the smartphone, play some music, and the music will be transferred through this device to the FM radio in your car. Alright. The bass you can adjust. Cool. And when you hold the orange button, go to receiving the Bluetooth signal from your smartphone. And yes, we're gonna hear this Bluetooth FM transmitter device to my old retro boombox. This model is UNICEF stereo with a 3-band graphic equalizer. It's very old, and I'm gonna set the frequency on the FM transmitter. Let's say, no, this is Bluetooth. We're on FM. Okay, and I'm gonna change it 107.5. Okay, radio, and here it is. Let's turn off. That's right.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Alright, let's connect the phone. And here it is. BSQ50. Alright.
Connected.
Connected. Take a look how easy it is. Turning on.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
Connected.
Connected. When you press on the orange button, the music will start playing. Nice! And you can adjust the high. This is the right frequency and the low frequencies. And also here you can see the level meter with those RGB LEDs. Red. Hello, hello, hello. It's picking up. There is a microphone so you can talk and receiving calls. This is nice. Okay, now I'm gonna try with the MP3 songs. Plug in, turning on.
USB driver mode.
USB driver mode connected. This is nice. I love that LED level meter. Pause, play. You can choose between pop, rock, jazz, classic, jazz. And just to prove you that the music is coming from the FM transmitter, I'm gonna turn it off and turn it on.
USB driver mode.
USB driver mode connected. I'm gonna test charging of phone. 1.1, 1.2 amperes, and it's working great. You can charge two devices at the same time through this quick charge 3.1 ampere and Type-C PD. Such a small device but useful, and it's looking great. It have all that you need for USB, for charging, for playing music. You have an equalizer, LED meter for sound, built-in microphone, can accept voice calls. It's cool. I hope you liked today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. The link will be in description below, so you can check it. See ya!